Namaskar, Khushru Vidya, myself JVN Dr. Pramila Kazla, Assistant Professor in Department of Physiology and Biochemistry, Faculty of Homeopathic Science from Jyoti Vidyapith Women's University. Today our topic is basal ganglia part 2. In this session we will discuss about disorder of basal ganglia. First one is Parkinson disease. Parkinson disease is a slowly progressive degenerative disease of nervous system associated with destruction of brain cells which produce dopamine. It is also It is named after discoverer James Parkinson. It is also called Parkinsonism and paralysis agitans. Cause of Parkinson disease. Parkinson disease occurs due to lack of dopamine caused by damage of basal ganglia. It is mostly due to destruction of substantia nigra and nigrostriatal pathway, which has dopaminergic fibers. The basal ganglia usually occurs because of following cause. First one is viral infection of brain, cerebral arteriosclerosis, injury to basal ganglia, destruction or removal of dopamine in basal ganglia, drug-induced Parkinsonism, and idiopathic unknown cause, which is called idiopathic Parkinsonism. Symptom, sign and symptom of Parkinson disease. Disease develops very slowly and the early sign and symptom must be unnoticed for months or even for years. When tremor become remarkable, the disease causes slowing and freezing of movements followed by rigidity. Following are common signs and symptoms of disease. First, tremor. This tremor occurs during rest. So it is called static tremor or resting tremor. It is also called drum beating tremor as the movements are similar to beating a drum. These movements are also called pill rolling movement. Second is slowness of movement. Slowness of movement is called bradykinesia. Akinesia and hypokinesia also can develop. Poverty of movement is loss of all autonomic movement, associated movement. Because of absence of automatic associated movement, the body becomes statue-like and the face becomes mask-like due to absence of appropriate expression like blinking, smiling. Rigidity. Stiffness of muscle occur in limbs resulting in rigidity of limb. The limbs become rigid, more rigid like pillars. The condition is called lead pipe rigidity. Later stage, the rigidity extend to neck and trunk. Gait. Gait means manner of walking. The patient loses normal gait, and the gait in Parkinson is called fascinated gait. Patient can suffer from speech problem, emotional changes. He become upset very early emotionally. Dementia in some patient develop dementia in later stage. Second is Wilson disease. It is inherited disorder characterized by excess of copper in body tissue. It is also known as progressive hepatolenticular degeneration. The disease developed due to damage of lenticular nuclei, particularly putamen. In Wilson disease, copper is deposited in liver, brain, kidney, and eyes. Copper deposit cause damage to tissue. Chorea. Abnormal involuntary movement is called chorea. Rapid jerky movement. It involves limb. It occurs due to lesion in caudate nucleus and putamen. Athetosis. Athetosis is another type of abnormal involuntary movement which refer to slow, rhythmic and twisting movement. It is because of lesion in caudate nucleus and putamen. Chorioathetosis is condition characterized by aimless involuntary muscular movement. It is due to combined effect of chorea and athetosis. Hutchinson chorea. It is inherited progressive neural disorder due to degeneration of neurons secreting GABA in corpus stratum and substantia nigra. It is characterized by chorea, hypotonia, dementia. In severe cases, bilateral worsening of muscle occur. It is also called Hutchinson disease, chronic progressive chorea, degenerative chorea, or hereditary chorea. Hemiplegismus is a disorder characterized by violent involuntary abnormal movement on one side of body involving mostly the arm. These movements are also called flinging movement. Kernicterus is the form of brain damage in infant caused by severe jaundice. Basal ganglia are mainly affected parts of brain. This session is powered by Digital Version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. I hope you are satisfied with my discussion. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it. Thank you.